Welcome to Costa Rica, the Rainforest Paradise where 5% of the world's biodiversity thrives in one tiny country. From the red-eyed tree frog to the lazy sloth and the majestic toucan, every corner here bursts with life and color. You'll find over 900 species of birds, each more stunning than the last, and more butterflies than almost anywhere on Earth. Deep in the jungles of Corcovado and Tortuguero, jaguars stalk silently, while sea turtles return to nest under the moonlight. This is Costa Rica, wild, green and alive. Discover the untamed beauty of nature, only on Stunopedia.